Congratulations to all of you guys. Quickly, can I ask all of you guys on the chat button to just write which call do you have? Okay, which call? And I means NMIMS Mumbai and your score, NMIMS Bangalore and your score, all of those things. Okay. Okay, so we have so many of you guys. Mumbai 249, 240. Okay, there's like chats like running all of them. Lovely. So we have NMI Miss 250, NMI Miss 249. Amazing, amazing. This is brilliant. So it's really amazing to see all of you guys have such amazing scores and getting all of those calls. Mumbai 251, Bangalore, Indore, Hyderabad. Okay, great. Lovely. So now you guys are going to make sure you all are going to pledge that you are going to convert NMIMS call that is there in hand with all of you guys. Okay. And ensure you will not miss any of your live classes. Focus on all of them and focus on your web, all the dossiers and everything provided. I'll show you guys your dashboard towards the end of it as well. I had told all of you guys I'm going to make you guys meet the entire team of NMIMS panelists that we have. So I have got all of them on board to help you guys. So can I request all of you guys, Akshay, Anant, Arnav, Biswadeep, to just switch on your cams? Rohit, both the Rohit, you guys are not seen, not visible. All of you guys who are asking me, how is Hyderabad, how is Indore, how is digital, we will answer that once you have converted the calls. Okay, right now, this is all you have in hand, convert, then we will choose. Okay, just waiting for Anant and Biswadeep to switch on your cams and yeah. To one by one introduce themselves. These are all people who are going to be preparing you guys for your mock interviews. Some of you guys might have given them mock interviews, be grilled by them. You can hate them, it's okay, but our objective is to make sure you convert your actual calls. All right, so can I have all of you guys one by one just quickly introduce yourself? Let's start with Biswadeep. I think some of you guys have also studied with him all through the year of your NMAT prep.
Hello, everyone, and congratulations on getting your calls. So, I'll just give a quick introduction about myself. So, I just graduated from NMIMS in 2020. Currently, I am working at Wipro as a pre-sales consultant, and I also help students with preparations for entrance exams as well as train them for GDPR. So, I hope I am able to help you guys to convert all your calls, and all the best to you guys.
Okay, all right. That's lovely. Great. Can we have next Akshay? How about you?
Very good evening to one and all. Heartiest congratulations for, clearing the first step and getting closer to the college. My name is Akshay. I am 2016-18 batch pass out. Currently working with Maruti Suzuki India Limited. I did internship with Dabur. And I have Arnav sir. I consider him one of the best, finest in sales and marketing. I believe we may not have interacted that much, but I know him pretty well. And I had brief stint with Pidilite as well. All the very best to all of the people who have cleared it. I mean, not only for NMIMS, but the rest of the calls that you have. Best of luck, guys.
Okay, that's lovely. I think Akshay, some of you guys might remember, sir would always give an example that this guy converted at borderline. He also had XLRI and all of them. So I clearly remember his interview when he had XLRI. I think, raat ko hum baith ke, you, me, Shruti, we were like, where all did you mess up in XLRI and NMAT? तो कैसे भी convert करना ही करना है, right?
I clearly remember. So I have a lot of stories to share. Probably, not this time, but I definitely have a lot of stories with respect to MDI, SPJ in second round, and then XLRI, and then finally NMIMS. So yeah, accidental college, but yes, I share it each and every moment, and I'm all for NMIMS.
Lovely. That's amazing. Great. How about you next, Arnav?
Am I audible? I hope I am. Congratulations, everyone, to begin with. And hopefully, you do convert this. I also had expectations of going through IIMs, but you do get 50-60% of the companies and profiles that you do get in NM are same as anybody from IIM Ahmedabad would also be getting. I am a 2014-2016 graduate from NM. Did my internship with Dabur, as Akshay mentioned, then got a PPO from Dabur, worked in Dabur for about 2.5 years. Moved on to Flipkart, currently working in Flipkart within the grocery function for the last 2.5 years as a senior manager, handling most of the top FMCG accounts, most of the companies that you would know the names of, starting from HUL, Nestle, PepsiCo. Like I've handled about 50-60 companies in the last 2 years. So most of the companies that would be your dream companies have been my client or currently are being dealt with me from Flipkart Nationals. And so all the best, and hopefully your preparation goes well, and hope to see some of you during the PI and GD mocks.
That's amazing. So guys, all of you who think no कि NM में placements जो पूछ रहे हो, placements guys बहुत अच्छे हैं. Just to give you guys one quick update, all of these guys out here are place commerce. ठीक है, so they work their ass off day in and night to make sure all of you guys get placement. We have an amazing team which does that, and these guys can all vouch for it. They have lived through hell for it, so that's something which you all can also check out the stats on the website. All right, let me quickly introduce you guys to the rest of the people. And yes, how about Jimit? Why don't you go next?
Yes, I hope I'm audible. So first of all, congratulations to everyone for getting calls and getting selected for interviews of the animation as well as this. So start with I'm currently MMS only. I'm the fund. I've done my internship in Henkel Adhesives Limited, and I've been as mentioned by Anisha ma'am that I've been part of the placement committee over here. So that's it.
Okay, that's lovely. So can we have next on board? We have Anant. Yes.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Congratulations on getting your respective call-ups. All the very best for them, and the team here will really try to help you out as much as possible. I'm from the batch of 2020. I did my summers with Marico, and I got a PPO there. I'm currently working with Marico. Yeah, all the best.
Okay, that's where I did my ex company Marico, and I really love it. And definitely these guys are doing an amazing job to keep getting PPOs out there. So let's have another girl on board. I'm like so many guys on my panel. Go ahead next. You're on mute, dear.
Hello everybody, I am Kaumudi Kedia. I am a part of NMIMS Mumbai. I am currently in my final year. I interned at ICICI Bank and I got a PPO. All the best. Congratulations for getting a call. I hope to see a lot of you interviewing with me.
That's amazing. That's really amazing. Great. So next, can I have Sagar?
Hope I'm audible. Yes. First of all, congratulations. It's first step, as everyone mentioned, and yeah, I'm a 2020 pass out from NMIMS. I interned with Goldman, and I'm working currently in Cognizant Digital Business as a AI consultant. And yeah, I hope to interact with you guys and guide you through.
Lovely. That's really interesting. So guys, you're getting people from all the different streams. He's Goldman, for people who don't know, is one of the best investment banking places to work for, and you can check out more about these companies. Interview में तुम ये companies के नाम ले सकते हो क्योंकि ये surely आते हैं. Don't go and give far-fetched company names which do not come on campus. ठीक है? So let's have next we have Rohit. So we have both the Rohit. One by one, you guys can go ahead.
Hi, Rohit Ravi Kumar. I'll go first. Hi guys, first of all, congratulations for NMIMS Mumbai. I'll be passing out from NMIMS this year, and along with Jimit, Kaumudi, and Shivam, I am also a place comer out here. And my summers was in a big conglomerate. And my finals is one of the big FMCG company in India. And we hope that we can prepare you well for your upcoming PI and VET. Thanks.
This guy is my true place comer who didn't take his brand names. It's officially okay. Trust me, we are not going to trouble you guys with all of them, but those are going to be your strict norms. Okay, NM placement committee is very strict. You're not allowed to talk about the companies which you get placed until it's officially done for everybody. But don't worry, Rohit. Here we'll help you guys. Okay, Rohit was also the one who used to coordinate with me for training the summers batch for their PI. So got a good connection with him. Really nice guys to grill you for your PI. And last, no, we have two more people to go. We have Rohit and Sayam. So Rohit, you go next, and then we'll have Sayam on board.
Hey, hi everyone. I'm Rohit Ravi Kumar. Firstly, congratulations everyone. It's very important to realize at this point that it's just job half done. So we'll be helping you prepare for the interview and the process ahead. I am a pass out from the 2020 batch. I did my summers at DHL Express, and currently I'm working with IDFC First Bank. So yeah, all the best. I'm pretty sure that you all will convert your calls. All the best.
Okay, thank you. Some of you guys also had mentorship sessions with Rohit long back. He was helping you guys prepare for your NMAT strategies and all of them as well. So good to see you guys come up and make your calls finally. And last we have Sayam.
So hello guys, firstly congratulations on getting NM calls. So as Rohit said that me, Jimit, Kaumudi were all part of the placement committee. I interned at Tata Consumer Products in their corporate finance division, and now I have secured a placement in a top foreign bank.
Okay, that's amazing. So guys, that basically the objective is to make you guys meet them. They are all people who have been there, done that, cracked the interviews, just like all of you guys. Trust me, when we had our interviews, we were equally anxious, equally clueless with all the possible questions that are coming onto your head, the programs, the placements, how many seats, and how will we beat the competition, what we will do, and all of those things. Trust me, you guys, once you get into NMIMS, you will learn the drill, how to beat competition. We all have done that, right? So you're going to have fun out there, and all of these guys out here today are there going to be taking your mock interviews to prepare you, because that's going to be the most crucial thing with no case discussion this year. Personal interview is going to be the sole deciding factor. You are going to have it on Zoom itself. So we'll train you guys up for the same here. All right, so thank you so much guys for coming on board, and it was really awesome to have you guys. Just tell me one thing, you will help these guys grill them in their PIs and give them feedback so that they can go and convert their interviews? Can't hear you guys.
Most definitely, ma'am. Most definitely.
Definitely, ma'am.
Great. So these guys will all be there. Okay. So thank you so much guys for coming on board. I wanted to make you guys meet them. The guys, y'all wait. Hold on. I will walk you guys through your entire preparation before your 14th Feb, what all you have to do. So what all has to be done. Your interviews are right around the corner. And I would say thank you once again, all of you guys. I shall see you guys in the mock interview panels, and all the best, and thanks once again for coming down.
Pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much, Anisha.
Thank you so much guys. Okay, so guys, all of them will be sharing their interview experiences, helping you prep up for the interviews and all of these aspects. Okay, what I want you all to do right now is firstly go ahead and start preparing for your interviews. Your interview calls are like right around the corner, so there's no time to sleeping. Just go to this section of your I am what PI on your dashboard. Okay, you'll have something called as you're building your interview answers. Okay, check out these, watch all of these videos, especially the second one. I really like these videos, but watch all of these videos, make notes, write down the answers for all of these most repeated questions for your own self. Once you're done writing all of these questions, this will help you all to crack most of these interviews. Okay, so focus on that. Then we have some interview questions also for your engineers, non-engineers, marketing, HR, PI, most common PI questions. Read up all of these, understand them, prepare for all of those, your answers. That's the step one. Okay, step two will be to go down to these functional dossiers. Now these are IM wala dossiers. Skip those, come down to the other ones at the bottom which are there. Read about, at least read about your marketing, finance, operations and consulting basic concepts. This will be helpful for all of you guys because you need to know certain basic things before you go to an interview. These are all your dossiers, guys, so check out and read about all of these things. Okay, last thing, after you all are done with all of these things, ye non-IIM colleges GDPI dockets, there are all the NMIMS interview experiences out here. Read them. There are 81 pages of these. Just ensure to make sure you have read each one of them, relate to them, understand what kind of interviews happen. The most essential question for you all is going to be your why MBA and why NMIMS. Make sure you are able to justify that really well. Okay, and you guys will have to submit your statement of purpose, which is very important. Go to the SOP section. There are 83 sample SOPs. Take inspiration from these SOPs. Copy paste mat karna. Take inspiration from them. Write your SOPs and make sure you stick to the word limited. It should be crisp and concise. That's it. That's all you need to focus on.